Hello and welcome back to a new ADV Freedom video. Today video is today's video's theme is how much money I made in 1 year of YouTube monetizing me. So I've been monetized since April 2025. We are in today's April 26 or 27. Okay, so today is April 27. It's about a year that I've been monetized on YouTube. I started the channel in 2019. I did a lot of mountain biking videos, some how-to stuff, whatever. But I started more serious on the motorcycling hobby that I got in 2024. So in 2025 April, I managed to get the 1,000 subscribers. So thank you for all. And since then, the channel grew to now today it was 1,400 and I think 93 is right now subscribers. I had the hours, the 4,000 hours a year watching, but I didn't have the subscribers on April last year. So I've been monetized for a year now. I just want to share with you how much money YouTube is paying me for all these videos. Um, so I don't do this YouTube channel for money gain, and you'll see in the reports. It's just for my enjoyment, and I like doing videos, and I like to look behind what I did and the history where I came from. So maybe later my kids will watch the channel, and who knows, maybe they'll be proud of their dad, what he was doing. But anyway, so today is gonna be a it's not gonna be a riding video. It's gonna be more a computer video. So if you like my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button. It will help. um, I don't know much about YouTube algorithm. I don't know much about I don't know, like promoting the videos. I don't do that. I just made the videos. I actually have a flow right now. Um, it's not easy. It's not easy. There's a lot of editing of after each ride, which I have two cameras, more than 2 hours on the DJI, 2 hours on Osmo. Now I have the drone too, so it is a bit of work, but it's enjoyable. So let's go to the computer and we'll see the stats. All right, so here we are at the computer. Uh, this is my channel, the landing page. So I'm not really don't really know how to read all these statistics or whatever the YouTube is actually presenting here, but I guess this is the content. So let's go to analytics. So as you can see, since I actually did the intro of that video, I got a couple of more subscribers. So right now I'm at 1,506 subscribers for this. For the last 28 days, the estimated revenue is $46. So I don't make much money. I don't make much money. Right here. Okay, so last 365 days, 1 million impressions. I counted this. I don't know how to find how many videos I published, but there are 59 videos in the last year. So once a week, I tried. Basically, I had like this here, 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 and here. I published 2 videos in a week. So I guess that is the number of videos that I published. Not that many, I guess. And if I go to revenue, which is what are we waiting for? So basically is $719.45 in the last 35 days between May 1st. So a couple of days later, I'm looking at this analytics. So if we look at this, actually my top performing video is something about my Subaru Outback, which made $65. The second one is the heated grips. It made $58. Like these are my top performers. Um, so as I said, 65, 58. So most of them are on the motorcycling side, something about mountain biking, but this is the breakdown. So let's see monthly on the last 365 days. So basically, the best that the revenue I got was May 2025, $82 on that month. Um, then it was February of this year, and I know why, because I published the video with the motorcycle show in Toronto. It got uh, very good views, so that was good. So these are all the months. You see, like the lowest one was this January, $34. So not many people, I guess, watching motorcycling in January, or my content was not that good. But anyway, really happy about this all this money. As I said, I'm not doing it for money. I'm doing it for my enjoyment. But yeah, I guess this $700 helped me buy some suspension parts or whatever for the motorcycle. It's an incentive, I guess, to make more videos. If I go on the overview, you see like basically I do kind of the same. It doesn't seem like the views are going up or whatever, but sometimes I publish, like for example here, I published a lot of shorts. That's why it's the spike in views. This is from the motorcycle show, and I think this, I don't know what happened here. Um, so yeah, really happy about it. 719. I'm getting some money from shorts, so $6 in 1 year basically. I don't know how much is worth it. Maybe the thing is on the shorts, I might be getting. I'm not sure, but I might be getting subscribers. Um, Now, if we look at the audience, you can see I got 464 subscribers in a year, which is good. It took me like from 2019 to 2025 to get a thousand. So I got half of that in just 1 year. So that's good. 70% more. Um, some people are unsubscribing. It's fine. Like -1. Doesn't matter to me. So like this is the breakdown. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff that they're putting here, like how they're watching from mobile, from TV, from computer. Um, I think it's breaking down by age. So male. So basically, if you look at it, basically whoever is watching my videos, 91.9, they're not subscribed. So it is what it is. It doesn't matter to me. So most of because I do adventure videos, I guess the most age is in the 35 to 64 years. So I guess the adventure guys are in this area. Um, I do have, if I look at my dashboard and look at my content, there is somebody who is keep unliking my videos. So I don't know what it is. I have two here uh, and one here, but it's still engagement, so it doesn't matter. It's good. I like it. The last couple of videos, I have to admit, uh, I did the thumbnails with the help of AI. So actually, ChatGPT and Gemini is doing very well, creating some. I have some struggle with prompting, but the it comes out pretty good. I give him my uh, image from what I select from my video. I don't let him do the like the full stuff, and then he's just creating the text. So that's pretty good. Yeah. So as I said, the last 365 days, $719. So that's with 7,000 hours of watching, right? So basically, if you look, yeah, there is a stat here on the revenue side, which is telling, so they basically they're paying $6.36 for 1,000 views. So this is what they're paying. You have 110,000 views, $6 per view comes up with this plus the shorts, which is $6. So this is uh, this is the breakdown. Not a lot of money. I'm not sure how much people with like 100,000 subscribers are making. I don't know if I can just multiply that times what is it, like times 100 or 1,000. There's gonna be a lot of money, but anyway, it is what it is. I'll keep putting more videos, and I'm expecting you guys to watch my videos, and hopefully it's gonna be a good content. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your help, and I'll see you in the next video.